Hi, Bruce. I'm currently 2 years into a cybersecurity specialty in SecOps. I'm looking into branching out into vendor-specific services like ServiceNow. Might you have any tips for success? And you say, so far, I'm doing all right. I just made it to the 80s, but I'm looking to pick up maybe a third shift for help desk or ServiceNow administration. Okay, yeah, then go for it, man. I just want to tell you some of the challenges because I currently have a few. I don't ever mention them, but I have several vendor-specific certifications, and I'll just name a few. I've had the Cisco certification before. I had a CCNA. I have Oracle certification, a couple for ArcSight. I was really deep on ArcSight for a few years. I got Recorded Future. So one of the bad things about industry level certs, and I'm not telling you not to get them, they're definitely incredible. But the bad thing is that they move a lot, like ArcSight. Problem is, ArcSight, where's ArcSight now? Where could it possibly be? It's gone. It's gone. It got bought a couple times. It's got destroyed by Splunk. It's washed up, man. Now, I can get hired from like Splunk probably. Splunk would probably reach out and say, hey, I see ArcSight on here. Would you be interested in doing our SIEM? Because those are both, they were competing products at one time. But a Splunk, if an organization is looking for a SIEM guy and they have Splunk, they're going to look for a dude who does Splunk. That's one of the challenges, is that they move around too much. They change. And I'm not telling you not to get them. You should definitely, I'm just telling you the pros and cons of certs. The pros of industry level certs is that you can go super deep on one thing and you'll be in high demand while that product is hot, and then they'll pay you a whole bunch of money for that. Like that ServiceNow, I'm sure that's hot. And then the cons, though, they change so often. The industry level certs change way faster than the ones that are non-industry specific, like CISSP. That changes like every, I don't know, 3-4 years, maybe every 5 years, sometimes longer. All of the GCIA courses, highly recommended. All those, they're not vendor specific. Yeah, so that's all I would say. Yeah, I would highly recommend it, but the pros and the cons, you know, just be aware it's going to change quite a bit. I wouldn't hang your entire career on those certifications because they change too fast.